What's up guys, Chad here, and welcome to another video. If you like drone reviews and drone related stuff, go ahead and start by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know the next time I post a video or I go live. Now FIMI Premium Care is only offered with the new Femi X8 SE 2020 version. So I want to go over a couple of the key points of the FIMI Premium Care. Hi guys, we're in my backyard. I thought I'd do a little something different and actually fly the Femi X8 SE 2018 version while we talk about the FIMI Premium Care. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and do a hand launch and we'll have a little talk. Alright, everything looks to be good. I'm going to take it up and I'm going to take it up over the houses. Take it up over the houses and take it over to the field over there. Fly it around the field a little bit. Let's take it up to maybe 150 feet. And we can talk about the, actually let's talk about first the new release of the Femi X8 SE 2020 version. And let's take it out. So I'm pretty excited about it. You know, with its new features, the extended range, the new modifications to the camera, and some other things that were listed. However, as an owner of the 2018 version, I'm still on the fence about buying it. You know, it's 300. With the coupons, it'd be like $350 US. However, during these trying times, during these challenging times, you never know, you may need that money for something else, but I'm still thinking about it. I know I don't have much time to think about it if I want to use the coupons, because from what the information I got, the coupons will expire on April 15th. So keep that in mind. And I do have a link in the description below to the Banggood website. So go ahead and check that out. I also have the coupons as well for the US warehouse and the Spain warehouse. You can save like $50 off that, and also have a coupon for the Chinese warehouse, and I think you save just a little less on that. And so if you want to go ahead and check that out, go ahead and check it out. I would appreciate it. It is an affiliate link, and it helps out the channel, and it doesn't cost you any more, or you know, it could cost you less if you use the coupons. So I appreciate it. So you know what, I think I'm going to actually take it out, see how far. Let me just angle myself, see if I can get between these houses, see how far I can get, see how far I can get, and we'll talk about it during this little impromptu range test. The Femi Care is offered at an extra $15. And if you're not familiar with it, or if you're a DJI or owner of a DJI product or a DJI drone, I'm sorry, you're probably familiar with something similar. In reference to the Femi Care, it's like an insurance package, really, where within 1 year you get 2 replacements of a drone if you damage it. So what's covered is man-made damage. So if you crash it or dump it in a lake or something like that, or it comes in contact with some type of water and it gets damaged, you're covered, and you can send it in to get a new one, or you have so you can send it in to get a new one twice in 1 year. So that's pretty good. Another thing, as of right now, is only offered in the, I guess, Spain market. So they will eventually open it up to other markets, including the US. And what happens when you put in a claim for the FIMI Care? So I got out to like 5,200 feet. So when you put in a claim for a FIMI Care, you will have to send it into a local distributor for them to replace it. So you have to send in your damaged drone, your damaged body and parts to a local distributor, which is somewhere in the United States, or will be somewhere in the United States, probably California. And you will have to send it in, and they'll send you another one back. Now, it doesn't cover any lost drones, or it doesn't cover any damaged batteries or lost or damaged controllers or remotes. So keep that in mind. If you crash your aircraft, I'm pretty sure you just send in the body and not the battery. Now, if the battery is damaged after a crash, then you will have to replace it yourself. Spend the money to replace it yourself. Also, if you get water damage or something like that, the battery most likely won't be good either, or it may not be as good. It's getting a little dark here. So I got 67%. So I'm going to stop this. I'm going to turn it around a little bit. Turn it around and see if I can go maybe that way, that direction. Raise up the gimbal. Also let me know about the footage too, because I know since the last upgrade, I noticed that the footage may be a little better. So let me know in the comments about the footage. I have it set to auto everything, and the setting is the picture setting is set, or the color setting is set to vivid. So the colors pop out a little bit more. But back to the FIMI Care. The difference between this and the regular warranty is that you don't have to go through too many steps to get your drone back. Also, with the regular warranty, I believe that damaged or man-made damaged drone is not covered. So I'm pretty sure that's the case. So anything you do yourself, if you damage it, crash it, whatever, and it's your fault, they won't cover it. Also, with the regular warranty, you will have to actually fill out like an aftermarket report and stuff, and then also send in your flight data to FIMI, and then they will have to analyze that data and then make a determination on what they're going to do. Then at that point, if they decide that they're going to replace it or repair it, you have to send it all the way to China. And you will have to flip that bill on the shipping cost. I'm getting out pretty far now. 53%, is 69. Oh, I'm like 1 mile now. Wow, that's pretty good. I'm in like all right, now it's returning. I'm just gonna let it return home and down to 52%. So yeah, you're gonna have to flip that bill if you send it to China. And in reference to the FIMI Care, it's supposed to be easier process. Now, like I said, it covers man-made damage and anything. You can damage it, whatever, crash it, and send it in. And you would just have to fill out, I think send them an email with your registration code and maybe some other information. And then they'll get back to you in reference to where to send it. And then you will have to mail it out to that location. You will pay that. You will flip that shipping bill. You have to pay for that shipping bill. However, when they ship it back to you, FIMI will actually pay for it. Now, when you send it to the local location, I mean, I'm pretty sure especially within the U.S., it's going to be definitely a cheaper cost than to sending it to China. Like I said, most likely it'd be either California or New York, maybe, I guess. I think they have a location there somewhere. Yeah, with the FIMI Care, I think it's definitely worth the $15. And also, let me add, there is a $40 charge for each claim you make for each replacement. But still, the $15 plus the $40 is still, I believe, it's still worth it if you do damage your drone. And the FIMI Care is only, and I'll make this point too, as of right now, the FIMI Care is only, the term of the FIMI Care is only for 1 year. And also, you're not able to extend it as of right now, as far as the information that I got. So I think it's worth it. Okay, there you have it. A little bit of information on the FIMI Premium Care. Also, if you're interested in purchasing the new Femi X8 SE 2020 version, I'll leave a link in the description below. And like always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time I post my videos. But until next time, guys, you stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Is this